So I'm going to dig into this term you're using, pressure. I think that's a fascinating. But what do you mean by pressure? When I think of pressure, I think something like a balloon. You're injecting air into the balloon. There's pressure. So something holds the pressure. When you talk about pressure, what's holding the pressure?
Well, that's a great way to think about it, because really we're starting to see that that pressure needs a release,
Mm-hmm.
right? So instead of something holding that pressure, it's seeking some kind of release valve. An example of a pressure: adults having to learn increasingly because of the world that we find ourselves in, but can't because of the responsibilities that they have, whether it's with a child, caring for a child, caring for an elderly parent, their jobs, et cetera, et cetera. There's a pressure forming there where on one side you need to continually learn to stay relevant. On the other side, there are too many different things, responsibilities that you have to worry about. And so that pressure forms. So that pressure needs a release. What happens to enable an adult in the future as AI stresses, skills, et cetera, and forces someone down a learning path? What enables that? Where's the release of that pressure, right? So that's a good example of how the learning paradigm of our day may likely change to provide that release.